All right, guys, we're back on. We got it outside. And, whoo, good old agua. After a nice salty breakfast lunch. So, we're gonna go ahead, get ready to power wash it. However, I went and bought this little Craftsman yesterday. Electric power washer. So you're kind of getting a 2-for-1 on the video, right? You're getting a power washer review, and you're getting to see an engine being washed or degreased, or however you want to say it. So I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money. I'm not a Craftsman type of person, even though I used to be before I really knew what tools were. I'm not a Snap-on guy either. Could never afford Snap-on. But my primary tools are DeWalt or Milwaukee. But I didn't want to spend the $300, the $200. I didn't want to spend all that. So I did a couple reviews online, and it didn't seem like this one was too bad of a situation for the money, okay? Like, it's $100. We all know that $100 these days are like $20. So I'm opening it up right now. Let's do the review. Now I will say, this doesn't feel too bad, but it doesn't feel that great. Pretty top heavy. I do know that your foam canister, this deal, is not very good. Everybody is already talking about it. And this part right here is it doesn't put out enough soap. And there's no adjustable setting on this one either, so I don't believe. Nope. Let's fix that one. So I don't know. We'll try it. We'll see what happens. I mean, worst part, you just throw it away. Okay, get your wand. You're gonna need this bad boy. Put that away so I don't stab myself. So it looks like this is pretty self-explanatory. Put it in and twist it. Pull it out, same thing. Pull it in, give it a twist. Look out, guys, here I come. All right, so got that. We got a hose that looks pretty chintzy, but I mean, we have to use it, right? So we're gonna do that, and then pull this out of the box. What's this? Oh, here goes a nozzle. A pretty hefty nozzle. And then another tip in the back. It's a 40 washing cars. So we're gonna go with that one first. Well, right back in the box. And I really wish this was a DeWalt. And I think DeWalt makes one small, if I'm not mistaken. And if I find one on a deal or whatever, I'll buy it. And I'll just give this one away. Because we don't need two, that's for sure. They said this comes with the 20-foot cord. So it's probably pretty imperative that you guys don't hook this where the water is. I don't know. I'm just saying. This over here. Alright guys, put this little bad boy on here. We're gonna hit the water hose. Water hose goes here. Then your wand hose goes here. All this is self-explanatory. These look the same. These look the same. And they probably are. This goes here. So I was reading on the internet, and if you want to get the short, stubby handle version that's this long, so you don't need this when you're just washing cars, they say make sure your thread pitch is M22. That's what I did find out. That goes on here like this. All right, well, let me turn on the water, see what happens. Got my goodies right here. We'll probably try to use this too, but not right now. Whoa! You guys just see that? That thing took off like a rocket. Let's try this again. It's in here. Here we got water. You got water? Turn this on. I say it's pretty good so far. All right. Yeah. Who knows? We got a lot of dirt, we got a lot of grime. As you know, since we're working on here, this car. Let me get you in the, let me see if I get you over here. Shoot over this way. Bear with me, guys, please. All right, get you like that. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-soak this. Oh, here's a cable stuff to my carburetor. fell back behind here. So we're just gonna spray this on. I can't remember what this was. I think this is alcohol and soap. And what I'm gonna do too, oops. What I'm gonna do is, before I get going on this, I'm gonna bag the distributor up and tape up, let's see, hold on 1 second. We're just gonna use this bag right here. Take off the distributor. So we don't get that much water in here. It's not like I'm gonna sit here and hold it like this. Same thing with the air filter. Just gonna do that. I think we're good here. Alternator should be good, I would hope. Oh, here's a hook I must have used. Huh, okay. Well, we got it out, right? We got it out today. I call this my fanny pack because I have a tendency to throw everything in here. Hopefully, whatever I have in here is not too terribly strong, that it really does some damage. So I hope you guys are having a good holiday at home, spending time with mom and dad and friends and your loved ones, I should say. And maybe today you just want to be by yourself. There's nothing wrong with that either. I know some days I want to be by myself. You know? I really do. But I remember at a point in time, I didn't want to be by myself. I couldn't be by myself. I don't know why. It felt like the world came to an end or something. Alright. As you guys can see, only got 73 subscribers, 74. So let's help a fellow man out. Let's grow this channel. I will be doing giveaways and stuff like that too. Obviously, when I can get to 1,000 subscribers, woo! So, any of you guys know the drill. Anybody that's doing this painting stuff, hobbyist, DIY stuff, you know, I'm gonna give a shout out to my friend Pete. Let's get over to my friend Pete's channel. He's also promoting Hoosier's Garage. Everybody, you know, and these are guys that have been on the internet for a long time. We're talking 10 plus 13 years, folks. And you get these other people that have been on YouTube for like 2 years, and they got like 1 million subscribers, 250,000 subscribers. I don't know. I'm just saying. Who's the Garage? Go look at him. Go look at DD Speed Shop. Go look at Sprayway Customs. Far Away. And there's many other out there. Oh boy, stuff is starting to come off. This hose is a little cumbersome. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I must say that this little pressure washer is actually doing a good job. Wow, amazed.